All right, good morning. This is your Morning Jolt. I'm Jacob Sonnenschein.
And I'm Catherine Ross. Wow, Jacob, it is so cold this morning. So let's make this quick. First of all, I know that you're talking about American Express. They report today, am I right?
American Express reports earnings today. I'm interested because if you look at American Express's revenue, whether they do well or don't do well, tells you a lot about discretionary spending, which is usually an indicator of a really good economy. So, not that everything is in AmEx earnings, but whatever we do see will tell us a little something about discretionary spending. So I like it. I'm looking out for it.
That was so quick. So we're also going to look at the Fed, which has remained hawkish. Yesterday, they released the FOMC minutes, and they're sticking to the inflation rates. Now, Jim Cramer is not a fan of that. I interview him every day live on the floor of the NYSE. It'll be on Facebook at 10 a.m. And he's come out. He's not so happy about it. What are your thoughts?
No, he doesn't love the Federal Reserve. And the latest inflation reading was really CPI was 0.1%. Increase was really low. So he thinks that the Federal Reserve is moving a little bit too quickly. He's got a little argument there, and he actually said the other day at the Saturday teach-in that the latest inflation reading tells us that inflation is, he said, it's taking care of itself. So if you would add on increased interest rates to that, then his point is that you'd have like a slowing economy, like way too much. And so he's a little bit worried about what the Fed's doing.
So keep an eye out for that interview. I know that Microsoft is real money stock of the day, so we're going to go in depth. I believe we're going to look at whether or not they're going to hit $1 trillion and when they'll hit $1 trillion.
It's not clear yet when Microsoft is going to hit $1 trillion market cap, but if a lot of people probably think if Apple did it, will Microsoft? They're different companies. We don't know, but it'll happen at some point, right? I don't know, but we'll find out. We will find out.
All right, guys. And if you didn't already know, we have Jim Cramer's Action Alerts Plus members only call at 11:30 a.m. Are you going to be watching it?
I'm going to be watching it.
I'm going to be watching it.
We're going to be doing stuff on it. So,
yeah.
Like I said the other day, that thing is just going to be the Saturday teach-in times 10. So you're going to learn a lot more in this one. So look out for that.
He'll definitely go into a deep dive in the economy, probably talk more about the Fed. It's worth watching. All right, guys, this was your Morning Jolt. Check out the newsletter below and keep up to date with The Street for the rest of The Street's news.
See you guys.